Hey everyone, welcome back to Sayak's Tech Diary. If you're new here, I'm Sayak, a BS/MS student in AI and cybersecurity at IIT Patna. On this channel, I share my journey, experiences, and tips for students who want to know what life and academics are like at IIT hybrid programs. One of the first things you'll start using when you join IIT Patna is the LMS portal. But here's the catch. While live classes actually happen on Microsoft Teams, the LMS portal is where everything else lives. Lecture recordings, notes, reference books, and even your quizzes, assignments, and exams. So today, I'll give you a complete walkthrough of how classes and academics are managed digitally at IIT Patna. This is the official LMS portal of IIT Patna, managed by the Center for Educational Technology. When you log in, you'll see the dashboard with all your courses listed semester-wise. For me, in semester 1, I currently have 4 courses. Mathematics Foundation of Computer Science, Foundation of Data Analytics, Foundation of English. Each of these course cards opens into its own dedicated space where professors upload everything related to that subject. Now, about live classes. These don't happen directly on Moodle. Instead, IIT Patna uses Microsoft Teams. Here's how it works. Each course has its own Teams group created by the professor. Professors share the class schedule and links there. You can also see upcoming classes directly in the Teams calendar. You attend lectures live on Teams, interact with professors, and use the chat to clear doubts. After the class, professors usually upload the recordings and slides back into the LMS, so you always have a record. Inside each course page on Moodle, things are very structured. For example, in my Foundation of Computer Science course, you can see the session schedule. Evening sessions on specific weekdays with time slots clearly mentioned. Lab sessions like mine on Fridays from 2 to 5 pm. And the best part, there's a join session button right here on Moodle that links directly to the live class in Teams. Once the session is over, the recording appears in the same place, so you can rewatch it later. On the left side menu, there are tabs for the syllabus, assignments, lecture notes, and even reference books. For example, my course includes resources like Think, like a programmer, and Python workbooks. So everything is organized. It's like a digital classroom hub. Now, another key use of the LMS is for quizzes, assignments, and exams. Since I've just started my first semester, I haven't personally experienced them yet. But I know from seniors that professors upload assignments with deadlines here, and both quizzes and online exams are also conducted directly through the LMS portal. Once I actually go through my first assignments and quizzes, I'll make a detailed video showing the entire process. For now, just remember, the LMS is not just for classes and notes, but also the main platform for all your academic evaluations. The LMS also has a grades section where professors upload marks once they're evaluated. This lets you track your progress continuously instead of waiting for the final result at the end of the semester. It's a transparent way of seeing how you're doing in each subject. Before I wrap up, here are some tips if you're about to start using IIT Patna's LMS and Teams. Check Moodle daily. Deadlines and announcements often pop up without much notice. Use the calendar feature to keep track of sessions and due dates. Download notes early. Before exams, the portal can get slow. Organize your teams by pinning important courses. Don't wait until the last minute for submissions. Uploading files can take longer than expected. So that's a complete walkthrough of how IIT Patna handles classes and academics digitally. Microsoft Teams is where we attend live classes. The Moodle LMS is where everything else happens, from lecture recordings and notes to assignments, quizzes, exams, and grades. When you join IIT Patna, this portal will become a daily part of your academic life, so get familiar with it early. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who are joining IIT hybrid programs, and subscribe to Sayak's Tech Diary for more inside IIT Patna content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.